Kabir, bird on a tree, Ya tarvar men ek pakherû. On this tree is a bird, it dances in the joy of life. None knows where it is, and who knows what the burden of its music may be. Where the branches throw a deep shade, there does it have its nest. And it comes in the evening and flies away in the morning, and says not a word of that which it means. None tell me of this bird that sings within me. It is neither colored nor colorless. It has neither form nor outline. It sits in the shadow of love. It dwells within the unattainable, the infinite and the eternal, and no one marks when it comes and goes. Kabir says, "O brother Sadhu, deep is the mystery. Let wise men seek to know where rests that bird."
Tweet, tweedle, tweet, 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 tweet.